Hi Jens,
Hello,
I
Anu.
am so glad that we are having this conversation today. I remember many years back when I met you in Thailand and we were learning together. I was learning from you. Um, I had this little dream, little bird going in my head and saying, how about he coming to India? And today it's about to become a reality. So really wanted to know if you can, give Indian community a message, and I'll be really, really grateful. Thank you.
Hmm. The pleasure is for sure on my side as well, and I am very well. Not it's beyond happy. It's beyond proud. It's like I feel like very touched because you make my vision coming true, becoming reality. And my vision is about sharing the possibility of becoming a part of this global process of transformation. So
Oh,
it's we are not victims of the history. We are creators of the future, but we need to understand our tool set to become the creator of the future. It needs a very focused mindset. It needs some decisions of how you start becoming a creator. And sound music is like the master tool to become a creator of a greater future. Because it doesn't matter where we live these days, in which country, it's a global community that's all over planet Earth, and we are all facing the same challenges. We don't need to talk about the problems, about the challenges. We feel them every day, and focusing on the problems will not help to solve them. So we must direct our focus in a different direction. And of course, we are aware what's going on, but we don't make this the force that drives us. Our force that drives us is like, yes, creating a great future for first of ourselves. That's very important because if we don't have the power to stand up in the morning and whatever's coming along, we are running through the day. We need the power. If we don't have the power, we cannot do it. Then we need to support our family, that everyone is doing well in the family, and then we go to the community around the family, and so it's kind of growing, and we need a lot of power to do this. And sound music is such a fantastic tool. It's much more. It's like a language that even connects you to the very original concept where language is creating the world. So I really invite all of you to join in, and really let's join our forces and focus to make this world becoming a better place.
thank you. That really motivates me. I mean, I heard about the country, little small country, Estonia. It actually got independence because they sang to get their independence.
Yes,
And
a
they
very
sang their way out of crisis. And that's exactly what you're saying. Crisis is everywhere. How about we just connecting like a human chain which can sing, which can put life together, which can celebrate, which can then go out and win the world. But to win the world, you need to win yourself. So thank you, thank you, thank you for that amazing message for my community and for the global community in which we all live.